Sara from AverageBetty here, and I'm making the Hollywood Monastery's pumpkin bread. This pumpkin bread is so sinfully good, it'll make a believer out of just about anyone. Let's make the Monastery of the Angels pumpkin bread. I have a big bowl here. This is mashed pumpkin. Canned pumpkin is great. Here are some beaten eggs. Fork that in until it's nice and smooth. I got this recipe from the Epic LA Times database, and it's a classic. The Monastery of the Angels gift shop sells these loaves for about $10. They also sell peanut brittle and hand-dipped chocolates. Some water, just regular water. The recipe doesn't specify holy. This is oil. Stir for the amount of time it takes you to say 10 Hail Marys. Okay, just kidding, that's not in the recipe. Set this aside for a moment, and here's another bowl. This is flour, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, and nutmeg. If you want to switch the nutmeg out for pumpkin pie spice, that totally works. This is sugar. It's a lot of sugar, but these nuns are making pumpkin bread, not altar bread, even though actually they make that too. Make a well in the center and pour in the pumpkin mixture. Gently combine the wet with the dry, and bless me, sisters, for I will sin. I cannot resist adding vanilla to baked goods. Amen. Here are your good old standard loaf pans, 3 of them. I like to prepare them with a little baking paper for a guaranteed smooth departure from the pan. Distribute the batter between the 3 pans. Now this could also make like 36 muffins or 12 mini loaves, and baking times will vary, but you get the idea. The sisters top each loaf with chopped walnuts. You do you. The sisters won't care. Get these into the oven, and when they're done, they'll look like this, and this, and this. Of course, you're supposed to allow to cool before slicing, and it freezes well. The sisters enjoy it toasted and smeared with butter. And let's face it, this pumpkin bread in the proper shape, topped with some cream cheese frosting, would totally pass for cake. And cake is good. Get the recipe at AverageBetty.com. So next time you're looking for a little slice of heaven, give the Hollywood Monastery pumpkin bread a try. Thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next time.